Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have a Discord account, appropriate server role, and the invite or permission to join the private voice channel. Once that's confirmed, find the server and the exact channel name so you don't request the wrong access. If the server uses a reaction role or passphrase, send the exact response to the bot or moderator. This signals why you need access and triggers role assignment. Make sure to use the Discord app for fewer connectivity surprises. Next, you actively request the role or permission that grants voice access. Message the moderator or follow the designated text channel instructions. Often you react to a specific message or type the passphrase into a bot command. Do this precisely because bot commands are case and format sensitive. Once you've completed the step, watch for the role assignment notification. That's the signal you can join the private voice channel. If you try to join before the role appears, Discord will block entry, so be patient and confirm the visual role. To finish, click the private voice channel once your role is active, then allow microphone or camera permissions if the app prompts you. Make sure to check voice and video settings to select the right input and output devices and test mic volume so others hear you. If you cannot join, first confirm the role is still assigned, then restart the Discord app or log out and back in to refresh permissions. If that fails, message a moderator explaining what you tried and include any error messages for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.